Hello guys, I am Nishan Patel and I hope you are doing well in your life. So I am going to start my new YouTube channel whose name is CodeSpace. This space for the DSA learner to learn something new like basic data structure and algorithm. So let's start. I am going to cover the basic question of binary tree. Okay, so let's start. Here as you can see, the question is height of the binary tree. Given a binary tree, find its height. Here they gives two example. So for this tree, height is 2. Like we can say the height, it also we can say the number of levels in the binary tree. Okay, so here the number of levels is 2, so height of binary tree is 2. Here the number of level is 3, so height is 3. Okay, so just let's take the one more example. Okay, I open my OneNote. Okay guys, so as you can see here, there is I draw two tree. So let's start. Here we can see this the number of level in first tree is 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So the height of this tree is 6, and for the second 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so height of this tree is also 6. I hope you understand the question. So before we move on to the answer, just try and yourself for the 10 minutes. So pause the video and think about like what you can do for this question, right? Okay, so let's start for the solution. So as we can see here, what we need, the height of the binary tree, right? So first approach in my mind is to we can use level order traversal for the tree. Okay, so if we do level order traversal, then we will get the all the levels, and that's your answer. Like we can get the height of the binary tree. But this is a iterative approach. Like we have to use Q for the level order traversal, right? We can use this method. But if we want a recursive solution, so what we can do, right? So let's take this example. Here we can see the height of the tree is 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So if we get the height of this tree and the height of this tree, right, and from the both the maximum height is this 1 2 3 4 5, and for this subtree the max height is 1 2 3. So among the both tree subtrees, the maximum height is 4 1 sorry 5. Okay, and this node is also the level, so we can include 1 plus. So what we can do, we will simply use 1 plus height of the left subtree and height of the right subtree, and among these both we will take the maximum. So in this case the maximum from 3 and 5 is 5. Okay, so 1 plus 5, so our answer is 6. Okay, so idea is find the height of left subtree and right subtree, and from the both find the maximum height. Okay, so for this node the maximum height is 5, okay, which is this right subtree. For this node the maximum height is 2, which is this left subtree, right? So we can use post order traversal. And why we use post order, why not pre order or in order? Okay, so let me explain this. Let me clear this first. Yeah, so we know the path follow post order traversal: left, right and root. Okay, so in the recursion, if we follow the post order traversal, then we traverse depth first search, and we will move into last node. Okay, this node, and for this node left and right is null, right? So the height of this node is 1 because its left and right subtree is empty, so 1 plus max, but max is 0, so its height is 1. For this subtree height is 2, right, because left side of the 2 height is 1 and right is 0, so 1 plus left 1, so it's 2. For this node the height is 3 because its left is 2 and right is 1, max is 2, so 1 plus max, so it will give us 3. Okay, so we will do the same step for this right subtree, and for this we will get 5. Okay, now from 3 and 5, what is max? 5, so we will get 1 plus max on right subtree and left subtree, so 1 plus 5, so the height is 6. Okay, so let's also look in this example. So in this example, the right subtree of 23 is empty, so it will give us 0 because it's null, and on the left subtree the height of this is 5, so from the 5 and 0 max is 5, so we will get 1 plus max, so it is 5, so height of this tree is also 6. Okay, I hope you get this. Okay, so we know the post-order traversal follow the order of left, right and root. So first the main function is called for the set2 node, means root node, and then it will call for the its left node, but left node is 0, so it will return 0. Okay, so this will return 0 to its root parent node, and it will pop from the stack of call. Okay, so it will remove. Now the function is called for the right, which is function 1 for the root node 1, sorry, for the node 1. Okay, now its 1 is also called its left subtree, so it will call for the 3. Now left subtree of tree is null and also right of null, so it will both return the 0. So 3 will get 0 from the left subtree and also 0 from the right subtree. Okay, and the function, now we will check 1 plus left subtree plus right subtree, but 1 plus 0. Okay, so function 3 will return 1. Okay, so for this it's 1, and we will also pop it from the call stack. Okay, so we will remove it simply. Now the function is called for the right of the this function 1. Okay, but right of the 1 is null, so it will also return the 0, so for this it's 0. Now we will get left of the 1 is 1 and right of the 1 node is 0. From the both the max is 1, so function 1 will return 1 plus max, so it will return 2, and this function 1 is pop from the call stack. Yeah, so for function 2 the left is 0, right is 2, from the both max is 2, so we will get 1 plus max, so it will be 3, and this function is also popped from the call stack, and we finally return the answer 3. Okay, so I hope you get this. Now let's move on to the code section. I am coding in gigs for gigs, so here I write this code. We in recursive we know that we have to first take base case. So what is the base case? First, if we get null node, then we simply return the 0, right? So if node is equal to null, then we return 0. Now we will get the height of left subtree in store in the left height, and height of the right subtree which store in the right. Okay, now you know this is the left poster traversal. Okay, we will first call for left, then right. Okay, and after this we will return max from the left and right. Okay, and add 1 for the current node. Okay, so this function will call for the each node, and at the end we will get the final answer. For this it's 2, and for this it's 3. Okay, so let's submit it and check it. Yeah, problem solved successfully. So that's from my side, guys, and I hope you understood this question very well. And if you really like this video, then please hit the like button and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel CodeSpace. Okay, bye bye, take care.